Dear friends, how are you all? I hope you are all good. We are all know this is the month of summative evaluation. So we have to prepare the question paper for ourselves. So I am going to help you all how to prepare the question paper by following several steps. As a teacher, we have to know the steps of preparing a question paper. That's why I am going to tell you all the 10 steps of the question. Come, let's get started. It is important to know about what are the objectives and specifications in English language. Objective. First objective, knowledge. Knowledge, there are many specifications are there. First one, recognizes and recalls. In recognizes, what should the child recognize? Child should recognize whether the sentence are true or false, whether the given sentence are true or false. Child matches the opposite words. Child matches the meaning. These specifications comes under knowledge. Second one, recalls. Recalls, child recalls the spellings, the spelling of the word. And later, child should recognize the punctuation mark. Later, word, phrase, sentence, and figures of speech, and pronunciation, stress, intonation. The poem, child should recognize the poem. Everything comes under the recalls. So, recognize and recalls. Both the specifications comes under knowledge. Second objective is comprehension. There are so many specifications comes under comprehension. So, comprehension. Child comprehends. While child comprehends while listening to a teacher, and child comprehends while conversation take place, and child comprehends while reading aloud. Later, locates. In locates meanings, opposites, and the central idea of the poem. These are all the specifications comes under comprehension. And later, third one is find out the answer to the questions. This is also one of the specifications in comprehension. Then compares, child should compare and contrasts, reasons, analyzes, form judgments, interprets, grasps the meaning, so corrects the incorrect spellings, words and usage, rearranges, forms noun, adjectives, adverbs from the given words. These are all the specifications of comprehension. Expression. There are two types of expressions. First one is oral expression, and later second one is written expressions. In oral expression, we have to recognize the expression of our child should reproduce the oral ideas in his own sentence, and child should describe or narrate a story, and these are all comes under the oral expression. And later another written expression. Child should transforms the sentences and use phrases and phrasal verbs in his own sentence. These are all the expressions of written. Later, appreciation. There are several specifications are there in appreciation. So first one, pupil enjoys the rhythm of a poem. And later, pupil recognize the words, phrases which comes under the poem or in a drama, whatever it may be. And later, the pupil appreciates the values, for example, truthfulness, honesty, and helping others. These are all the high quality values. Children should learn to respect the values. These are all comes under the appreciation. We have to follow the 10 steps while preparing a question paper. First one is weightage to objectives. You have to prepare the question paper by following the 10 steps. First step is weightage to, we have to design our question paper according to the weightage to objectives. Knowledge for 25%, comprehension for 40%, and expression for 30%, and appreciation for 5%. The second step is weightage to content, and third one is weightage to difficulty level of a question. Fourth step is weightage to different types of questions. Very short answer questions and then long answer questions. We have to set the question paper by using these type of questions. First one is very short answers, and then short answer questions, and then long answer questions. The fifth step is we have to prepare the question blueprint by following these all 4 steps. After the preparation of blueprint, later we have to prepare the question paper. After preparing a question paper, we have to prepare the key answers for those question paper. After the question paper key answer, we have to set a question wise analysis. This is the last step of the preparing a question paper. By following these all 10 steps, we have to prepare the question paper for our SA2 examination. Thank you all.